TRIZ means the theory of inventive problem solving. It provides problem definition and solution tools to help your staff innovate, regardless of where they sit in the organisation. There are 3 principles of TRIZ. Number 1, there are ideal solutions to complex problems. Number 2, there is some contradiction in a problem that needs to be surfaced. Number 3, there are 40 principles based on experience that can help resolve these contradictions. These TRIZ cards have been designed specifically for service sector innovation. The cards have been based on insight and thinking from academics and practitioners in TRIZ. We have real-life innovation examples in the cards. Along with the 40 innovation cards, we have 5 service type cards to best target the areas of innovation. These are self-service, asking the consumer to take on the role of the producer. Around service, manipulating tangible elements of the service. Bundled service, combining multiple services into a single package. Direct service, delivering to the customer location. Pre-service, streamlining the activation of the service. So, let's take an example from experience. A cafe serves great coffee, but queues are long during lunchtime as people come for nourishment and thereafter a coffee for their pick-me-up. After 2 p.m. though, it starts getting quieter. The cafe is also a mini-hub for nearby startup companies who come to use the free Wi-Fi and a base for meetings. The coffee shop needs to manage capacity in a way to fulfill its range of customers. Our problem is clearly one of around service, which takes us to Innovation Card Principle 19, Periodic Action. Break a continuous process to periodic actions or increase the frequency of periodic events. From this, we can generate new ideas. For example, during certain hours, such as between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m, the cafe can provide a refill coffee at no extra charge. Want to generate innovative ideas from everyone in your organisation? These TRIZ cards will be your catalyst.